Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do if you are getting a withdrawal error on Hard Rock Bet app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, the first thing to check is your account verification. Many withdrawal error happens because the account is not fully verified. Go to account settings and look for verification. Make sure your ID, personal details and any required documents are carefully approved. Next, check your payment method. This withdrawal method usually must match the deposit method you use. Next, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, open App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Hard Rock Bet app and install any available updates. Outdated app can cause withdrawal errors. If everything looks good, close the app completely. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Hard Rock Bet app and try to reopen it and try the withdrawal again using a stable internet connection. Also turn off any VPN as this can block withdrawals. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to fix a withdrawal error on the Hard Rock Bet app using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.